bonus reading for January the 24th to the 25th. Air signs, we have the Queen of Cups, the Judgment, and the Knight of Swords. So, ang nakikita natin dito, meron ditong 180-degree na balik, no, na turn. Parang boomerang. Kapag binato mo, babalik siya sa'yo. So, pwedeng itong si person, either pwedeng si person or ikaw, no, nagsabing, tama na, ayoko na, challenge accepted. Umalis, lumayo, pero it felt like nung nandun na sa process, no, ng paglayo, parang nasabi hindi ko kaya, no? Nagtatapang-tapangan lang ako. But I feel like eto na yung pagbalik. This may be an action of apology, or it could be a verbal na sasabihin, but it felt like, uy, tama na, no? Hindi talaga yun yung gusto ko ding mangyari. So, walang aalis, walang lalayo, hindi mapuputol. So, this is your quick reading for air signs, January the 24th to January the 25th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.